Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Valorant keeps crashing on startup or in mid-game. I'll give you simple few steps on how to do it. The first thing you need to do is on your client, just go ahead and click on your profile on the upper right corner and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, go ahead and scroll down until you see repair. Go ahead and click on it, as this is the easiest way to repair corrupted files. If that doesn't work after you go ahead and try Valorant again, the other method we could use is by going on your desktop and right clicking on Valorant and then clicking on properties. Once you click on properties, go ahead and click on compatibility. Once you go ahead and click on compatibility, go ahead and tick on disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Go ahead and click on apply and then OK. Also make sure that you don't really have any background process while you are currently playing Valorant. To check, go ahead and go to your task manager and click on memory. This will sort the biggest or the one that is giving the most to your GPU. So go ahead and remove that you aren't currently using and task. Also, another thing we should check is your graphics card driver. By doing so, go ahead and click on your tray and go into your NVIDIA app. Once your NVIDIA app opens up, and download the latest graphics card driver for your GPU. Once everything is checked, and we have optimized the settings, go ahead and optimize the in-game settings for Valorant. Go ahead and open up your Valorant. Once you open up your Valorant, go to settings and then go to video and then graphics quality. On graphics quality, make sure that everything is to the lowest settings and everything is turned off. Also make sure to try full screen and to the lowest resolution to get the best FPS or doesn't really get the crashes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.